This is one of the best deals on the market in Yorba, sitting in one of the best school districts in Orange County. This ND units is a must-see. My name is Nahid Benyamin. Welcome to Beverly Lane. Let's check it out. There is a few things about this home I really love. First, the high ceiling. You cannot help once you walk in how grand it feels. The second one is the community. Literally, Bryant Ranch Elementary School is less than a mile away. It makes it so perfect to walk your kids or grandkids like me to school. Finally, this is an end unit. It makes it incredibly quiet and private. And the best part, you have one neighbor on only one side. Who do you know is looking to move to Yorba? Give us a call for a private showing or visit the link in my bio for more information.